The types and varieties of LEDs grow every day, it seems, but today we are taking it back to the basic. We are here today to answer the ever-present question of how are LEDs made. LED stands for light emitting diode. Therefore, LED lights are made up of small diode. Each diode is created from semiconductor material. One of the layers of semiconductor material will have an excess of electrons creating light through electronic excitation maintained above. After these diodes are mounted on the appropriate package, wires are attached and then everything is encased in plastics. After this process, to power the LED printed circuit board is prepared. Its function is to convert the alternating current into direct current. Now all these PCB boards are attached to the bottom part of the bulb that is made of plastic. This back panel are also called bulb housing. The PCB driver is then covered with aluminum heat sink. The machine then picks up the LED circuit and fits it above this panel. Now the lamp holder of the bulb is fixed. After these, a automatically machine fixes the holder on the bulb. A robotic arm cuts the extra wire of panel and another robotic arm soldering on the holder tightens the wire. The diffuser is now added to this panel which gives him the shape of the bulb. Now the army of bulbs is ready for testing. Different tests are done by passing current in the bulb, like the bulb durability, temperature and light quantity. The LED drivers and PCB are stabilized by this process. After this testing, the machine places the bulbs in the labeling machine. These bulbs are packed after all testing. These bulbs save maximum electricity and it is also eco-friendly.